Hello, I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Jim Gott, and I'm a current employee of LL Bean and a board member at the YMCA. I want to talk to you about an exciting adventure I'm about to take on in April. I'm going to attempt to run 48 miles on my 48th birthday, covering a span from northern York County YMCA all the way and ending in Freeport at the Casco Bay YMCA. It'll be quite an adventure involving all 4 branches and a lot of exciting times in planning and running. You know, I think one thing I wanted to talk about today is why I'm doing this. And you know, what the YMCA, one of the programs that they have around child development really speaks to me. And it speaks to me personally. When I was a young kid, I attended a lot of camps. We definitely spent a lot of time outdoors and camping, hiking, just really continuing to explore and learn even in the summer months and before and after the school day ended. And then as my son grew up, and he's now 19 and in college, but when he was younger it was the same thing. We made sure he was involved in a lot of camps, and those opportunities were there, and we are so thankful for that. So that really extends to my passion for the YMCA and their programs. Having programs available for kids, again, regardless of their ability to pay, is just an amazing message, and I want to try to do everything I can to support that. So the one little thing that I can do is run. I love to run, I love to be active and be in the outdoors, and this is a project that I'm taking on in April. And I also want to say, you know, a big thanks to LL Bean. I've been an employee there for 25 years, and they support this idea of volunteerism, giving back to the community, and that's a big reason why I'm able to make the time to serve on the board at the YMCA. So I hope that you hear my message and believe in me and will support me on April 23rd.